give some confidence back to the fan base and show that you can still be the team that you were when you started the year 15-0 or 16-0, whatever it was. Show them that you can be that team. Show them you can be the same team that beat average to below average teams by 30 in February, early February. So for Iowa State, I think this senior day, it's more about Iowa State and what they can do to really reaffirm the fans that things will be fine and they are still a really good team. So I mean, there's probably not. I don't know what else to really say. There's probably not too much. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, yeah, yeah.